Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bleeding continues on this one. Lower highs and lower lows today. So we'll see if the price can try to recover or not moving forward. But nonetheless, updates certainly need to be made here from the technical point of view. So one of the newest areas of resistance established after today is right up here at $30.75. That was the area where after the gap down earlier on in the day, the price did actually try to get above it during that opening 30 minutes and then a little bit later on in the morning right there. But both situations failed. In fact, kind of a little miniature double top there, and then down the price went. So that's going to be the main battleground and main question going forward from the resistance side of things is, if the price can consolidate out and then work its way back upwards. The big question mark is not necessarily can the price get back up to 30.75. It's more so can the price get up above it and stay up above it. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that resistance-wise, and then if the price can actually break above that level, at that point you'd want to turn your attention to that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 50-period simple moving average. But you also don't want to get too far ahead of yourself. Let's just first see if the price can break above 30.75, and then it's a matter of, it makes more sense to start to pay attention to that purple line up there, again, the 50-period moving average. As far as areas of support are concerned, next potential area, and as you can see here, going way back into the charts history, but next level of support then going to be down here right around the 2650 mark. And then after 2650, and this is a pretty crazy one if this were to come into play, but after 2650 would be down there at 2550. And the reason why really both these levels is so important is, think about it. And I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down there and break below those levels, that would literally be putting the price at areas that have not been seen for weeks upon weeks upon weeks. So again, not saying that's what's going to play out, but if it does, then that would imply that the price absolutely boom to the upside to then go right back to where it started. And in some circles, people would call that a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but yeah, crazy movement, but we'll see if the price can try to get things stabilized or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.